Hello, I'll be your guide today as we look at the nationwide AutoWatch benefits. Today we'll be looking at the customer portal, the Facebook integration, the email with updates, the text updates with photos, and the vehicle management system. We're going to start with the customer trends. Customers are saying they want less phone calls, more email, text messaging, and web communications. In fact, in a recent survey done by J.D. Powers, it showed that 15% of the customers surveyed said they want fewer phone calls from the repair facility. 18% said they would like more email and text messaging. AutoWatch has automated email and text updates. Customer trends show that using online technology, customers want to instantly track and be alerted of events and information they find interesting and important. When we know the collision of their vehicle was an important event, we say with AutoWatch it can now become an interesting event that they'll share with friends and family. In fact, if we look at Facebook, there are over 500 million users of Facebook. 50% are active on any given day. The average user spends 55 minutes a day on their Facebook account and has 130 Facebook friends. This is marketing potential that you have to tap into. AutoWatch has that answer. There is a Facebook link right inside the nationwide AutoWatch system that all the customer does is click on it and it links your AutoWatch photos right to their Facebook account. Once those linked, every time you upload photos, the photos are going to be placed on that consumer's Facebook wall, which is shared with all their friends. This is what it looks like. And as you know how a wall works in Facebook, every time someone posts something new, things move down the wall. And by the end of the day, on an active user, they're off the wall. Well, every day when you upload new photos, your shop name will be put right back up on the top of the wall. Their friends will come in and click View More, and this is what they'll see. They'll see your shop information, some website information, and of course the photos of the vehicle. The results of this are really powerful. There's average clicks per vehicle or views per vehicle is 56. 13% of these vehicles have over 100 views and come from 23 unique IP addresses. This is marketing in its best form. Email. Marketers are missing the chance to make a great first impression. In a U.S. study of companies, 60% did not send a welcome message. A shocking 81% of the U.S. marketers did not use the collected data to personalize the ongoing message. The nationwide AutoWatch system automatically sends a message to the customer, greets them by name, along with a link to the information that they're really looking for, of course, which is their vehicle photos and the status of the vehicle. That's fully automated. Next trend is text messaging. 79% of the U.S. owns a cell phone that is text ready. Text messages are usually read within 15 minutes. This is the best way to communicate with a customer. They're going to read that message typically within 15 minutes. On average, Americans send and receive twice as many text messages as phone calls. AutoWatch has an automated text system that requires no data input from your personnel. It automatically triggers when you take the photos and upload them to us. What's really neat about this system is customers can come in and inside that message is a link to their vehicle. If they click on it, they can actually view the vehicle inside their text message. Here's a blown up screen of what it looks like. It'll have your collision center's name here, who the advisor is handling the claim, when we project the vehicle to be done, the current status, and of course the photo of the vehicle, and if they want they can click and look at previous photos right from their text message. The results are 24 average views per vehicle from 9 different IP addresses, and 3% have over 100 views. Again, really neat marketing and customer service. It's very easy to use. When you put a car into the AutoWatch system, you click on the Get Assignments, the data loads. What you'll want to do is where it says Text Updates, just check off the box that is the customer's text message number and confirm that you have an email address. If not, enter an email address here. That's all you have to do. Everything we just showed you fully automates behind that. The texting to the customer, the email to the customers. They'll be able to link their Facebook up. All that is automated right out of the system. The customers will then log into the customer portal at nationwideautowatch.com. There they'll be able to see their vehicle. In this they can do many things. They can send an email back to your shop through the database email system, which will be stored so you can actually retrieve that later, and we'll track the inbound and outbound for you. There's notification preferences. If they want, they can add more people to the email list so they'll be notified by email. They can add more phone numbers for texting. Maybe the husband, the wife, and the child would like to get the text message updates. They can just add them in here if they like. They can send photos to a friend. Everybody says when they get in an accident, you should see my car. Well, we've given them the ability to actually forward these photos to their friends in a really simple process here. And of course, your shop information goes along with it. If they want, they can click and they can take a look at the repair process. They'll know what each stage of that repair is with a brief explanation. There's also an in-process CSI, which we'll present to them on the 5th login, or they can take any time they like. In here, we can ask, are we meeting your expectations? Of course, there's the Facebook integration that we already looked at. Next, we'll take a quick look at the shop back room. This is where you can track all the claims that are in your shop. You can come over and simply click on the note field, and here you can add a note to the file, update the advisor that's handling the claim, change the delivery date, or mark the vehicle a total if you like. If you click on the icon there, it will show you the photos, a different layout. You'll see the customer's name, some more information here. You'll see the cycle time data here, all the photos listed over here. You can actually drop a note on these photos if you like. That's all in the shop back room. There's lots of power here. We won't take time to go in depth into the shop back room. There's a lot of power here that you can sort and look at the vehicles in many different ways, along with some very powerful reporting. So the AutoWatch benefits are improved customer satisfaction, 24/7 access to your shop and the status of their vehicle, automated email updates, automated text message updates with photos of their vehicle, the Facebook integration, the in-process CSI system. You are now able to connect with customers the way they prefer with email, text, and web. Your cost for this program? Zero. Nationwide Insurance pays all the costs. This is a free marketing program that helps promote your shop and improves the customer service. If you have any questions, we'd love to give you a complete demonstration. Just contact us at 877-977-6473. We suggest you watch the other videos listed below regarding the AutoWatch program. Thanks for your time.